All right, today we're working on a 2010 Kia Soul. Customer complained that the car would not start after filling it up with gas. So
you might want to use one of them.
And it popped up a check engine light for all right, so first thing you want to do when you're replacing the purge valve is, for this specific vehicle, is you want to take off the air intake tube, because that's right in our way of getting to it. All right, once you get the air intake out, you got a better visual at the purge valve. It's right underneath the throttle body right there. Let me get a zoom in on it. Right there.
It has been had.
So this is what it looks like while it's inside the vehicle. It's mounted like this. There's a clamp. There's a tube connected to the top with the hose clamp right here. And then the hose clamp down here connects to a little bubbled out shaped piece. All right, we got the old purge valve out. There's our new one. And we about to install it in the same way. Just slide this tube into the upper hose, slide the clip down into place, and then slide the bottom end into this piece. The bottom end hose connects right here. Then you slide the hose clamp down to secure that into place.
Cousin, we got a problem.
What?
These ain't the same pieces.
Why do you say that?
It's like we gotta install it in there this way. It's not the same piece. You see how I got the thing on the side right there?
Yeah, this one goes in sideways, the old one. And this new one goes in upwards. So what we're gonna have to do is swap these out then. We just swapped the rubber piece out. The new one from O'Reilly's had a vertical mount, and ours had a sideways mount. So we just put the sideways mount onto the new one, took the new rubber off. Now Tyreese is installing that. Make sure you guys always unplug your negative side of your terminal anytime you're working with anything electrical, just to play it safe. So yeah, Tyreese is over here putting the clamps into place. Then he's gonna mount it and then connect that electrical clip. Then we're gonna give this a test run. How's it looking in there?
It's looking great.
As you guys can see, lower clamp is in the proper position, upper clamp is in the proper position, the electrical clip is connected, it's mounted on there back how it was. Now we can go ahead and start installing that air intake. Hell yeah. We doing it.
Oh yeah, I forgot that shit was in there.
And then once you got your air intake installed, go ahead and tighten all your clamps. Reconnect your hose right here. Put the clamp back. Tighten down your throttle body clamp. And then you're good to go.
Damn, that's just crazy.